It's a pretty quick video, but I finally pulled off the clutch cover gasket because just like every other aluminum piece on my bike, it was really crusty and nasty, and it's going to get the same treatment. I'm going to polish, except the inside of the Honda will be black and this ring will be black. And then my oil filter cover is also going to be painted black because I've seen other people do it and I think it looks really neat. Also, this is going to be painted black just so that it matches everything else, just the outside, because you know clearly you can't paint the inside of that. But it's going through the ultrasonic right now, and here we go. Alright, so here we are on the pizza box getting ready to paint the filter. You can see this cleans up really well in the ultrasonic cleaner. If you don't have one, go get one from Harbor Freight. They're like 80 bucks. I use it for a lot of stuff. My wife likes to use it for her jewelry and whatnot. But it's not silver anymore. It's really kind of mottled and nasty. And then that, yeah, so we're going to hit that with primer, and then it'll be black. And it'll look really good, I think. Just kind of help clean everything else up. Probably make my clutch cable look really bad by comparison, but here we go. Don't mind my messy desk, but here we are in the process. So all the metal, I did exactly like I did my radiator in another video, like went 400 grit, probably should have went 200, but I just went straight to 400, then 1,000, then 1,200, and then polish on my machine. You can kind of see my little bit, not like a perfect mirror, but I don't really want a perfect mirror. Like, this looks great. And then used needle applicator. I already threw away the one I used, but this is a needle applicator, get craft store, Hobby Lobby, get it there. And then I just use modeling paint, so we'll see how well that holds up. The emblems on the side of the engine seem to be holding up just fine that I painted with that, but I showed that in my video where I painted emblems, but I did just the exact same way, where you just hold the needle into the gaps and kind of squeeze it into there. I think it turned out really good. I mean, maybe if you stare at it real close, you'll notice a couple of imperfections. But then this is done too. So really black, because after I cleaned it, it was a little lighter color than that metal. But now it's going to look really good. This is still wet, so I gotta be careful. And then, of course, here's my oil filter cover. There's a couple spots where the paint ran. Yeah, you might be able to pick it up, like right here. But hopefully, I mean, really, you won't notice that. No one's gonna get that close and be like, "Oh my gosh!" Which, yeah, spoiler alert. Here you go. This might be another video, but I'm doing my tack and my Speedo stuff. And yeah, the paint dripped like real bad on that. And unfortunately, that's right on top. So it's going to be super noticeable. But whatever. I'm just an amateur learning how to do stuff. But yeah, I'm going to get those put on the bike as soon as I get the gasket for this. And I ordered a new drain bolt washer too, and they just haven't come yet. Finished product back on the bike. There it is, check it out, looking good. I really like how black this turned out. I mean, it makes the rest of this look dingy. It's so funny. You fix one thing, and you make one thing shiny and new and clean and painted, and it makes everything else not look good. Because, like, now the rust stands out, and, like, this stands out a little worse. Like, my frame back there isn't as bad. It's fine. Everything will get done eventually, but I really like the way this turned out. I like the black contrast with everything. Like if we look from the other side, yeah, it looks good. Another project wrapped up. We're still working on the speedometer and tachometer.